In this video, we will learn how to fix the Chromebook screen color if it distorted or inverted. So if you look at this screen now, its color distorted. So this method works for any model of Dell Chromebook, or it even works for other brand of Chromebook. So what we need to do, press Control then magnifying glass and H. Okay, this one, that one, or search button on H. So Control, search button and H. So it's come back to original color. If you press again Control, magnifying glass and H, is go the previous state. So to come back, we need to press again. Okay, and if this doesn't work, then press Shift, magnifying glass and H. Okay, so first try Control, magnifying glass, H. If that doesn't work, then try Shift, magnifying glass and H, and the problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.